This video will demonstrate how to replace the ratchet spring on a Hannay N-Series spring rewind reel. Here are the tools needed. Begin by removing the ratchet assembly located on the side of the reel. To do so, remove these 4 half-inch fasteners. Next, remove the top metal piece of the assembly. Now, position the ratchet handle to the top. Insert the spring into place. With the needle nose pliers, stretch and install the replacement spring as shown. Replace the top metal piece. You can then reinstall the ratchet lock back onto your Hannay reel. To see all the reel solutions Hannay offers, head to hannay.com.